So mugwort is classified as an invasive species. It's one of like a handful of plants that get this really culturally loaded designation of being an alien. And people like to say that it like is really aggressive and takes over and like crowds out other plants, which like reminds us of ways that some people get talked about on this continent, which is really strange. So the reason that weeds do that, and mugwort included, is that they have literally evolved as companions to human beings, as companions to the agricultural process and as companions to the process of industrialization. And so they've learned how to be adaptable to these conditions. And so, in fact, the reason that they're here is because we're here. So if there's anything to complain about, it's our own behavior, I would say. But what's great is that weeds like mugwort actually help to remediate environments that they inhabit. So while it may appear at first that they're crowding out other plants, part of what they're doing is growing in a really nutrient-impoverished environment, and through life cycles, they're degrading and adding nutrients to the soil, as well as they have a really extensive network of rhizomes which help to aerate the soil as they kind of like make their way through it. So it's also helping other plants to grow for that reason.